is gearing up for a political and economic event as Chief Minister Siddaramaiah prepares to present the state's budget for the year 2026 to 27 on 6th March and concluding on 27th March. This will mark his 17th budget presentation, the highest by any leader in Karnataka's history, adding another milestone to his long tenure in public office. Siddaramaiah became the longest-serving Chief Minister of Karnataka, completing 7 years and 239 days in office and surpassing the record set by Devaraj Urs. With this upcoming budget, he further cements his position as the state's most frequent finance presenter. The Cabinet approved the budget schedule on Thursday with State Law and Parliamentary Affairs Minister H.K. Patil confirming that the session will span 14 sitting days, excluding holidays, as Chief Minister Siddaramaiah also holds the finance portfolio, giving him direct oversight of the state's fiscal priorities. When Daily Salar Digital spoke to the public, their main concerns were education and infrastructure, improving schools, colleges and public facilities across the state, agriculture, strengthening farmers' support programs, irrigation project and rural development initiatives, health, expanding healthcare access and public health schemes, middle class relief, policies that may directly impact household finances, taxes and welfare benefits. Political observers suggest that the budget will not only reflect the government's economic priorities but also signal its approach to supporting the middle class and rural communities which form the backbone of Karnataka's electorate. As the state prepares for this historic event, all eyes will be on Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, who will outline Karnataka's fiscal roadmap for the year ahead and provide insights into the government's focus areas for development and growth.